Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom header in WordPress using Elementor. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to access a lot of the features in the WordPress website, you're gonna have to pay for a subscription that costs $40. Now, I didn't pay for the subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally by telling you the instructions you should follow, and if you follow them, you're gonna be able to do the task very easily. Now, let's follow these few steps together. The first step is to install Elementor and add-ons. And to do that, you have to access your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering your account's credentials. Once logged in, you're gonna be directed to your accounts dashboard. From here, go to plugins in the left sidebar right here and search for plugins. It's right next to the plug icon and click on it. Now in the search bar, search for and install Elementor and a header builder add-on like Elements Kit, and activate both plugins. You can search for Elementor right here, search for it. Yeah, this is the one right here, and search and you can search also for Elements Kit. Let's change kits. This one right here. Install both of them. As I said before, installing plugins require a paid subscription, so make sure you already paid for the subscription. Now for the second step is to create a new headers template. And to do that, navigate to the templates right here. Let's see if they're in the sidebar right here. No, they're not in the sidebar, but when you install the plugin, you're gonna be able to notice them. After that, after navigating to the template options, click on Add New and select Header as the template type and name it. And for the third step, design your header. Use Elementor's drag and drop editor to add a logo, menu, and buttons. Customize the colors, fonts, and layouts. And for the fourth step, set display conditions. And to do this, click the Publish button and set conditions for where the header should appear, for example, across the entire site or specific pages. Now for the fifth and final step, save and test. And to do that, preview your header on desktop and mobile, then save your changes. For additional tips, use high quality images for your logos and ensure your header design is responsive for mobile users. And that's it. That's how you create a header in WordPress with Elementor. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.